Hello everyone. And welcome back once again to another interesting video. In this video we'll discuss the significance of cybersecurity in educational institutions, addressing the challenges and solutions for protecting student data and privacy. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. In the digital age, technology has become an integral part of the education sector, transforming the way students learn and educators teach. However, with the increasing reliance on digital platforms and the collection of vast amounts of student data, the importance of cybersecurity in education cannot be overstated. This video delves into the challenges and strategies associated with safeguarding student data, highlighting the critical need for robust cybersecurity measures in educational institutions. The digital transformation of education. The advent of digital technologies has ushered in a new era in education, offering unprecedented opportunities for collaborative learning, personalized instruction, and remote education. Learning management systems, LMS, online assessments, and cloud-based platforms have become commonplace, facilitating seamless communication and access to educational resources. While these technological advancements enhance the educational experience, they also raise concerns about the security and privacy of student data. The significance of student data protection. Student data encompasses a wide range of information, including personal details, academic records, assessment results, and even biometric data in some cases. This wealth of information is not only valuable to educational institutions but also attractive to malicious actors seeking to exploit vulnerabilities for financial gain or other nefarious purposes. Therefore, protecting student data is not just a legal and ethical obligation for educational institutions but also a crucial aspect of maintaining trust with students, parents, and other stakeholders. Challenges in securing student data. Educational institutions face various challenges in ensuring the security of student data. 1. Diverse data sources. Student data is generated from various sources, including student information systems, online assessments, e-learning platforms, and even IoT devices. Managing the security of data from these diverse sources requires a comprehensive approach. 2. Human factor. The human factor remains a significant challenge, as unintentional actions by students, educators, or staff can lead to security breaches. Phishing attacks, password vulnerabilities, and social engineering attempts are common threats that exploit human vulnerabilities. 3. Budget constraints. Many educational institutions operate under budget constraints, making it challenging to allocate sufficient resources for robust cybersecurity measures. This limitation can leave systems vulnerable to cyber threats. 4. Regulatory compliance. Educational institutions must comply with data protection regulations and privacy laws, such as the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, FERPA, in the United States or the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, in the European Union. Ensuring compliance adds complexity to data security efforts. 5. Emerging technologies. The integration of emerging technologies, such as artificial intelligence and Internet of Things, IoT, devices, introduces new security challenges. Institutions must stay ahead of potential threats associated with these technologies. Strategies for protecting student data. To address these challenges, educational institutions should implement a holistic cybersecurity strategy. 1. Risk assessment and management. Conduct regular risk assessments to identify potential vulnerabilities and threats. Develop and implement risk management plans to mitigate these risks effectively. 2. Data encryption. Implement strong encryption protocols to protect sensitive student data both in transit and at rest. Encryption ensures that even if data is intercepted, it remains unreadable without the appropriate decryption keys. 3. Access controls. Implement strict access controls to limit who can access student data. Use multi-factor authentication and role-based access to ensure that only authorized individuals can view or modify sensitive information. 4. Employee training. Educate educators, administrative staff, and students about cybersecurity best practices. Training programs should cover topics such as recognizing phishing attempts, creating strong passwords, and safeguarding personal devices. 5. Regular audits and monitoring. Conduct regular cybersecurity audits to assess the effectiveness of security measures. Implement continuous monitoring systems to detect and respond to security incidents promptly. 6. Incident response plan. Develop a comprehensive incident response plan outlining the steps to be taken in the event of a security breach. This plan should include communication strategies, legal considerations, and steps for restoring normal operations. 7. Collaboration with industry experts. Collaborate with cybersecurity experts and organizations specializing in educational technology. Regularly update security protocols based on the latest industry standards and threat intelligence. 8. Privacy by design. Integrate privacy considerations into the design of educational technology systems from the outset. Adopt a privacy by design approach to ensure that data protection is a fundamental aspect of the technology infrastructure. 9. Vendor assessment. Before adopting third-party educational technology solutions, conduct thorough assessments of vendors' security practices. Ensure that they comply with relevant data protection regulations and follow best practices in cybersecurity. 10. Community engagement. Foster a culture of cybersecurity awareness within the educational community. Encourage open communication about potential security threats and involve students, parents, and educators in maintaining a secure digital environment. Conclusion. In conclusion, cybersecurity in education is a multifaceted challenge that requires a proactive and collaborative approach. Educational institutions must recognize the importance of protecting student data and invest in robust cybersecurity measures. By addressing the challenges head-on and implementing comprehensive strategies, educational institutions can create a secure and conducive digital learning environment for students, ensuring that the benefits of technology in education are maximized while minimizing the associated risks. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.